Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix not charging JBL speaker and reset it to factory settings. So basically what you'll need to do is take your speaker and you'll see this plus icon and play icon. So just take two fingers and hold simultaneously for the 10 seconds. So let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, now it did go off, and now we will need to wait a little bit, and after that it will turn on by itself, or if not, you may need to turn on after 30 seconds with this button and basically connect to your phone again. And if you go at the back side right here, you'll be able to open this and charge the JBL speaker. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.